Hi, I'm Shannon with WTI and I'm here to talk to you about mine and my dog's new favorite booster seat for the car. And look at that pattern, it's so cute and so versatile. And she loves it because she loves going on car rides. This is the car booster seat from the brand Matsofamic that me and my girl, we really like it. I was looking for something not only cute, but also that she would be comfortable in, as she likes to be on car rides with me. I really like that I can put her in this two different ways. One, it's already in the house and I just strap her in, and I can carry her out, as this does come with straps that make it easy to carry her in it. Or most of the time it is already in my car, so I just have to slip it onto the middle console there, and it has these nice Velcro straps that can make it tighter or looser depending on what I want. It also has these nice little pockets for the straps, so everything's out of your way and it's nice and neat and orderly. I really like putting her in this way. I just bring her to the car and strap her in with the little strap there for her collar, and then she doesn't move. It doesn't move the whole car ride. I know she's not going to jump out. So nice. And then at the end, the straps come in handy again, as I can just take her out and bring her inside. I love it. And that's why we love this seat. But again, that's just our point of view.